So we've just insulated his house a little bit. So I'm going on a scavenger hunt to see if I can find some supplies like pieces of wood or a big plastic that I can throw over top of the houses. But I'm not seeing anything here, but there seems to be something abandoned right there. So I'm gonna go inside and see if I can find something we could use. Like a big piece of wood that we could use. That we could use for the dogs. There's some pallets here. I'm gonna tell Indira she might be able to use that. Just to see if there's anything over here. Some plastic or anything. I don't see it. Don't see it. I didn't see. Nisam našla ništa. Ali ima par paleta. Tako da znate. There's some wood here. Našla sam komad drveta ovaki, jel vam treba? Okay, so it seems I didn't find any plastic, but it's okay. We can go buy some. So we're gonna go to the shelter, to the little house now, and I'm gonna tape it so you can see how Indira and Sajida insulated it, just using plastic. See, everything's kind of gross. You see? Maybe I went a little too quick. Sorry about that. There, full of garbage. So, there, now I'm walking over to the house. And there they are. Sorry, I keep sniffling. My nose is running. It's pretty cold over here, and I did cry a little bit earlier. So now my nose is like a faucet. So there it is. Wonderful dog eating. But you see, they put plastic and stapled it all around the house. So that way when it rains, it doesn't get inside his home. So I'm gonna walk around. And here we added another piece of wood that we plasticized. And over here too. So hopefully that's gonna minimize the wind chill and the amount of rain that's gonna go inside his home. But he is very gentle and very loving. Wonderful dog. Wonderful. My first impression is he's the biggest suck I've ever seen. And considering the fact he's lived on the streets his whole life, has been abused, went through God knows what, and he's friendly and kind and loving. It's unbelievable. Would make a stone cry. I'm serious. So please share the story, share his story, share Indira's story. And thank you for watching the video, and thank you for loving dogs.